Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Okay, guys, we're going to do an update on the watermelons. They have taken over. I guess we're not going to get no cantaloupes because it just done took over, which is fine. But let's just look in here and see what we have as far as watermelons. Let's just look, y'all. I hope everyone is having a great morning, a wonderful morning. Let's see what we can find, y'all. It's supposed to rain today. I see lots of flowers. They just done took over, y'all. When I get tired of them growing, I'm just going to cut the tips off of them. But so far, they just going. This is like all the veg growth back over this way. Oops. I done broke a leaf. I'm going to get back out here and get some of those dead leaves off again. See, they're just taking over. Taking over. But this is my first time, so I won't do it like this again. Well, Miko's wanted to trellis them up. But with everything that was going on, everything kind of got away from us. Like they just done took over the little cantaloupe. I'm just peeling through, y'all. Because I know where some met on the other side. Got a lot of male flowers. I seen something down here. It done got away from me. The cantaloupe didn't stand a chance, y'all. Okay, let's move around to the other side. Oh. I got one carrot coming up out of that tray. And it looked like one beet coming up out of that one. Okay. I wonder, is that a ladybug or is that a beetle? It's done ran off. Y'all, I need my ass whooped the way I let these watermelons take over like this. Okay, y'all. That's why I said it's on this side. Oh. Whew. And I don't know which is which until it's time to harvest. Because it was 3 kinds of watermelons in here. Oh. Y'all see a little baby one right there? Let me see. Let me see. Look, my sweet potato's still in here. Y'all, I need my ass whooped the way I done let these watermelons take over like this. There go another one down there, y'all. They all over in here, that's for sure. And got more male flowers. There go some over there. So yeah, we're gonna have lots of watermelons. They sucking up all this rain and just steady growing. Oh. Yeah, we got lots of watermelons. Watermelons. Hang that off. I hope y'all can see in the video. It's sunny out here and I'm all over the place trying to see some watermelons. Let me move on down. Y'all look at that baby there. Just beautiful. Oh, it's heavy. And then it's another one, a little small one, right there. It's like a jungle out here. Look, y'all. I didn't even see it. I'm trying to be careful. See one right there. Oh, there's one right there. So we got lots of watermelons, y'all. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna grow them next time. There's one right there. It just done took over, y'all. It's a fight between the watermelon and the cucumbers. And I've been putting the cucumbers up on these trellis. It's been doing good, but you know, cucumbers are vigorous too. So I just threw everything that's vigorous in this one bed. You live and you learn. Y'all look at the baby. So yes, each variety is producing really well. Producing really, really well. Try to get these cucumbers over out the way. I need to get back on that side. Oh no, you have to get out there to marigold. Y'all choking my marigold out. Okay, and it's a watermelon on the end of it. I'm just gonna let them hang out the bed. Let them hang out. They want to crawl anyway. But yeah, I'm happy about the watermelons, guys. I ain't seen one as big as that one there. I'm trying to get them a little untangled while I'm at here. Look at that one, y'all. These watermelons ain't playing no games. So yeah, it's a lot of watermelons over in here. Get off my sweet potato. Oh, y'all, look at that. There's one there. There's one there. They just done took over. Oh. Trying to open it up some down in here. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Yeah, that's a lot of watermelon. It just done took my little sweet potato. I'm gonna have to get out here and get them sweet potatoes done. I got a few things I need to plant anyway. Alright, gang. I got it opened up a little bit. Just kind of let them hang off. And these right here, they're still kind of small. Now, I don't know what you doing all over in there. Oh, it's a watermelon on it. And there's another. All right. Get out here and fool with them cucumbers. Well, I opened it up some. Found some watermelons for you guys to see. Just a little update on the watermelons and how they doing. I guess that's going to be it for this little watermelon update. I gave them a little food too when I did the garden. I did the whole garden. It's been raining, so they good and watered. Good and watered in. Got some weeds. I'm gonna get back out here. Them weeds grow so fast. You blink your eye, and there it is, tons of weeds. Alright, gang. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up the little watermelon update. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave your comments down below. And I'll see you lovely people in the next video. Peace.